What's going on, guys? It's JTM14 here, and today I'm back with another unboxing, and if I sound really tired, it's because I am. I'm not going to go into detail, but I got a figure today, and that figure is Transformers Cyberverse Deluxe Bumblebee. Now, this is not the intended figure I was wanting to get. I actually wanted to get Studio Series Jeep Bumblebee, but they didn't have it in the store, even though it said it was in stock on the website. But I got this instead, and I'm going to unbox it for you all today. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna write a review for this. And yeah, so I got my scissors. I'm not gonna use a knife. I don't care what you say in the comments. This is how I cut boxes. Alright, we got the flap open. Let's bring out the figure. Oh, there we go. Ooh. The plastic feels sort of weird. I don't know how to explain it, but we got his weapon, which of course comes with a blast effect, or shocking effect, I guess. We get the abdomen and crotch of Macleod Prime, the Build-A-Figure. Get the scissors out of frame. We got his gun, and now we got the figure itself, which has some snippy boys which need to be snipped. Oh, come on. I really don't want to damage the figure. Oh, there we go. That's one. There's one snippy boy. Here we go. Alright. I think the figure is now free from his plastic tomb. I think we got both arms. We got, this is very loud. There we go. Here we have him, the figure himself. Holy moly. This guy looks so much better. And oh, well, he didn't fall over, and that just fell behind the desk. I'm not gonna get that. I'll get that later. Whew, alright. Let's take a good look. The plastic is kind of weird. I don't really know how to explain it. I want to say oily, but I don't think it's like oily. It's kind of like smooth but sticky. I don't really know how to explain it. Anyways, we got his gun, or his stinger. There we go. Oh, that looks pretty good, actually. God. Here we have abdomen. Can't hold it. The gun is here somewhere. It's behind the stinger. Here we have a little pew pew gun. Holy crap. I like how dynamic the shoulders look in person. And you can adjust the door wings. Ooh, you can flip them up too. This is one... If it's in the right hands, it's a really dynamic figure. I really like the look of this guy. Makes me want to get the rest of the Cyberverse Deluxes. You know, this guy looks pretty cool, and he does have the Siege blast nipples on his body. Just one on there. Let's see anywhere else other than his gun. There we go. But yeah, this figure looks pretty good. I don't know if I should transform him into car mode. I'm probably not going to, because I'm lazy. But yeah, that's been my quick unboxing of this figure. And definitely expect a review of him and his Cyberverse Deluxe Brethren. Yeah, in the future. And I'm definitely going to be collecting more of these guys. Anyways, I've been JTM14. This has been a quick unboxing of Transformers Cyberverse Deluxe Bumblebee. I hope you have a good night, or good day, whatever time this is posted, whatever time zone you're in. Have a good day. Night. Whatever.